Hello, how are you all? Long time no see. Couldn't see. How do I look? Alright, I was thinking, what I'm doing on YouTube since such a long time. I have only 3 subscribers. Can you beat this? It's been almost 2 years, I guess. I'm on YouTube. I don't have a subscriber. I don't have fan followings. I'm really pissed off. Every time I try to put on new videos, new contents, I don't know, I'm trying to do my best. It's not happening, it's not working. I don't know what gives the people of media, long list of followers. I don't have followers. So I'm trying new things to get followers on social media. Okay, so as I see that people on social media, you will see that what they are up to is they put on their pictures, and that picture is like for long time it is there. Same picture, long time it stays on their profiles. I don't know how. They don't get bored, they don't get taunted or commented by their friends or peers to change their photographs, and especially some stupid photos, some idiotic rascal type photos. You will see, how, I don't know how they survive, what they do on social media. I have no idea. They will give you looks, some kind of weird looks, stupid looks, irritating looks, and it will, I don't know, you will not come to know they're looking at you or it's them. No fucking idea, right? Suppose somebody has given this, I've got 3 chilies in hand. You can see 3 chilies. I've got this green chili, and then one dried red chili, and one half red and half green fresh chili. Okay, so if I put on Facebook or anywhere photo, like Facebook is usually the common social media where people are interacting on regular day-to-day basis. I give a photo like this. Okay, I keep this photo for coming like 6 to 7 years, 10 years, the same photo. Okay, does it mean, it looks very I don't know, it's very weird. I know it's very kind of mm, non-understanding, that we are not understanding what is the purpose of being on social media, where you are not able to update your current photographs or your current status, and sticking to some stupid pose, stupid position photos like this. I'm eating this. Does it look like I am eating, or does it look like the person is eating who has taken this photograph? Okay, okay. That if I put this photo, I click this, I keep it for like several years. Does it mean that I'm full time? I'm just eating this. I'm eating this. I'm not doing anything. I'm this. It's like, the goddess and goddesses, they are clicked, or the Jesus Christ is clicked, or the gods, they are clicked in the same way. They're doing in the same position, like, so they are trying to be gods. I'm not God. If I put a photo like this, okay, maybe, to abuse others, to playing it is towards some kind of abusive or teasing behavior. uh, I don't know. I've seen people like that are eating, they're eating in a restaurant, and they are like stick to that photograph for several years without changing. I don't know what does that mean. And the comments consist of lots of emojis and lots of uh, I don't know, lots of expressions, undesired, desired. Okay, okay. Now I have this red chili. So if I have clicked a photo of green chili, eating green chili, keep it there for several years. That doesn't mean I'm not eating this red chili, right? I'm eating red chili. I'm eating many things. I'm doing so many things. I'm not stick to just putting on this. I'm not posing as a god or goddess. Okay, so this is my YouTube new content that I have come up with, to tell you that you have to be a little submissive in understanding the scenarios around you. You don't have to be imposing things on others, imposing pictures on others. You're eating something and looking at, I mean, I don't know, your old friends or your old relatives, or maybe your relatives, your friends, in the present time, they might feel offended due to some of your photographs. All right, so I would suggest that please, people who are dormant on your social media account, please try to change your stupid photographs. It looks very awkward, irritating. Same photo you are seeing it for several years without changes. Okay, so if I am putting this, I put this green chili. Also means in the meantime I'm also eating red chili. I'm eating chicken, I'm eating biryani, I'm eating ice creams, I'm watching movies, I'm going to work, I'm not working, I'm ill, I'm sleeping, I'm dancing, I'm singing, I'm practicing music, I'm busy in my life. And it doesn't mean that I'm doing the same thing for years and years and years and years. Because whenever, some people, some friends or relatives of yours, they comment, oh, I saw your photo of yours, you're eating something and you were wearing something and you were doing this in your photograph. Okay, I did that, I clicked that. Okay, and do you have any problem? If you have any problem, any objection, I'll change. If you don't have, that's fine. But doesn't mean that if I have clicked on an outfit, means that I am sticking to the same outfit all throughout those years or months or days I put the photographs on. So I'm not very surprised if I'm not getting subscribers on YouTube, because this is what I feel, people's mentality. Either they are very dormant, they are very active, or stupidness all around. I'm not criticizing anyone. I have put so many videos, so many of my contents on the YouTube. It did not work. Only 3 subscribers. I don't have fan followings, nothing. All right. You have been all watching me, I think, for 2 years. I guess it's been 2 years that I've been posting continuously on YouTube. So might be there's some flaws that I'm posting, something I'm not posting according to people's choice. So I have mentioned my choice of your appearances on social media. Okay, so try to be innovative, be renovative. Am I correct or am I wrong? So this is the way you should try to carry yourself on social media, that you're not being imposing on others, or you're not appearing to be playing pranks on others, criticizing others. This is what I felt on social media all these years, that I have summed up and come up with this new content. Okay, all right. So I have these chilies. One chili has fallen down. If I pick up, I'll be putting off my mobile down. So I have 2 chilies left. Okay, this one. All right. So I might be eating this, I might be eating this, I might not be eating anything, I might be on fast, I might be on a health diet or anything. So please don't try to impose pictures on others and irritate others for years and years and years. Because there's some mannerism, there's some kind of protocol that we should follow. That's very unmentioned, and that should be followed. That's what I wanted to say in this new content of YouTube. Let me see how many subscribers I get. All right. And you can see my such dramatic fashion sense. I was calling myself Chamko Bai, I thought I was thinking of changing my name to Chamko Bai on YouTube, but unfortunately it will change on. I have to change it through Google. If I have to mention it in my Google as a Chamko Bai, then it will come on YouTube. That's the way it goes. So I keep my name how it is. All right. I am not able to help that. I can't help that. So this is my presentation to few of my viewers who are there, and I'm thankful for 3 subscribers that I have. I don't know who they are. I can't see them. I can't see them. All right. Thank you, people. It was nice chatting, and some weird content with some weird fashion, with weird feelings maybe. All right. All right. Thank you. See you. Bye bye.